how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. Now, this process is very easy and straightforward. All you have to do is just to run the official Prizepicks application on your mobile device. Now, just simply make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. Just simply go to wherever you have downloaded the application and ensure that it is updated. Now, the next thing that you would like to do is just to go ahead and log into your Prizepicks account. Now, at the top left portion of Prizepicks, you should be able to see three lines. Tap on that and go to withdraw balance. Now, choose or input the specific amount of your withdrawal and then just choose on Cash App to move your money to. And that's basically it. That's how you withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App.